Hi, this is Janet from Try It Like It Created, and I just hit Michael's up for their $4 grab bags from Valentine's Day. I believe they went in the bins yesterday, and I stopped off today, and I'll show you what I got. I only bought 2 bags because being Valentine's Day things and what I saw I wasn't completely interested in, but I will share with you what I got in my 2 bags. The bins were full. So if you intend on going, I would go soon for the best variety of items. So I got 2 of these crown and wand kits, which are kind of cute if you have a little girl. Then I got this pack of 142 puffy stickers. Once again, little girl type stickers. I got a bunch of Valentines, which I anticipated, and that's why I didn't buy a lot of bags, but I got 2 of these that are the scratch-off kind, which are kind of fun. I got 1 of these that has tattoos included, so here are the tattoos inside the cards. And then I got 3 of this pack, and it has these foam stickers, I think probably for closure on the cards. And then the last one I got was a kind of food themed, and it comes with googly eyes. I also got a foam ornament kit, which is cute, a bracelet kit, a melted bead kit, and this had hair clips in it and the tray for melting, so that's kind of a bonus because you can use the tray over and over again. I got 3 of these pads, small pads. Oh, nope, they're sticker books, sorry. So 3 of those. Each one is different, but every page looks to be the same, yeah. And another one like this. I got 2 foam sticker packs with googly eyes, a plastic stencil with a unicorn. This came, it says there's 2 pieces in here, so I'm not sure. Let's see, on the back it has both of these pictured, so I'm assuming that both of those stencils are in here. Then I got a lot of these sticker packs, and it looks like they are similar, if not the exact same, to these sticker books. And then 2 more. Unicorn llama version, and a dinosaur version. And then I got 4 rolls of ribbon. This one says these 2 say Happy Valentine's Day. And then I got 2, one looks like burlap, one looks more white. This one has glitter, and I believe they're both wired ribbon. So those will be saved for future use for Valentine's Day. So hopefully if you're interested, you'll run out and grab some grab bags for yourself, and I'd love to see if you got duplicate information that I did, or if you get different set of things. So hope you share, and look forward to seeing or hearing what you receive.